releases from this house. But shout out to Outlaw Frags. He is a review channel. He's been around for a while. I remember I first heard about this scent a while back watching one of his reviews or one of his releases, and recently I saw it. I watched it again. Yeah, after a long time, it kind of just popped up again. I looked at it, and it kind of reminded me that this was on my list, but never got around to getting it. And this is from the house of Reyane Tradition. This is Reyane Tradition Insurrection Wild. I don't have anything from the house, so we're gonna get into this. But first, thank you for all my subscribers. Thank you for your continued feedback and support. If this is your first time on the channel, please consider subscribing. As we bring you fragrance reviews and information that you may not necessarily find in a lot of places. So please consider subscribing, and thank you for your support. So back to this. This is from the house of Reyane Tradition. This is Reyane Tradition Insurrection 2 Wild. It's like a book. Like I said, I don't have anything from this house. I'm really not familiar with it. I know Reyane Insurrection. One of those insurrections supposed to be like a Ventus clone. I think they're a clone house. They're a Parisian house, either Parisian or Middle Eastern. It says made in France on the back. It's some some writing in Arabic on the back, but I believe they're a Parisian house. And like I said, I don't have any fragrances from this. Company. It's a good. I like the presentation. Looks like a book. Definitely a box that you should consider keeping. So let's open her up and see what's what. So like I said, it looks like a book, and this is supposed to be. I don't know if it was a direct clone of Pure Havane. Mugler Pure Havane, but it's supposed to be in that realm. So we'll see. So this, we got the plastic off of it. Like I said, it looks like a book. I like the presentation, and I guess it slides out. So it slides out like this. Okay, really nice presentation. I like the presentation a lot. So this is the bottle inside of the box, and then this is the bottle itself. Okay, so very nice. Really good presentation. I like it a lot. The bottle is nice. It's just Paris on there. For man on the other side. Some writing, batch code information on the bottom. It has this little tassel in here. So really nice presentation. So let's see what it's about. Like I said, I haven't done much research on it. I just from the information I received, it's supposed to be akin to Pure Havane. So let's get the cap off here. Okay, all right, nice cap. Let's see. Not wearing anything today, so let's give it a spray. There's an atomizer. Okay, nice atomizer. Let's see. It's coming up already. Okay. Let me dry down a little bit. Got hit with some alcohol on first spray, so let's let it settle down a little bit. Now this is actually an affordable fragrance. I got this. It's like a 90 ml bottle for it's like 25 bucks. So check out Amazon, eBay. It's all over, and you get it for a good number. Okay, yeah. It's nice tobacco. It's nice tobacco in there. It's pretty good. Some nice oils on there, nice sheen. So we'll see how it works. I like it off first spray. Well, first spray smells good. Tobacco in there smells like some vanilla in there. And tobacco being one of my favorite notes. I'll give it a go today. See how it is. Put some sprays on, and this will be my scent of the day. See how it operates. Today's kind of an overcast day. Probably like in the 40s today, upper 40s, around 50. So we'll see how it works. First impression on the house of Reyane. This is Reyane Tradition. This is Insurrection Wild. So we'll see how it goes. Thanks, Amelia. Take care.